Welcome to TradeTech's Title V Reusable Learning Outcome Series for the Solar Installer. We're going to start with the most important tool for any craftsman, the tape measure. The more you know about your tape measure, the more it can do for you. There are many different types of tape measures. They are all basically the same in terms of construction. There is the working part, a thin blade of fiberglass coated steel, and all the markings along the blade. As an installer, you should pick one design or type that you like, study the blade, and stick with it. Let's start at the beginning, at 0, at the clip on the end of every tape measure. The clip or tang at the end of your tape measure floats. The reason it floats is so you can take accurate measurements for inside and outside corners. If the clip didn't move the thickness of itself, your measurements for either inside or outside corners would always be off by the thickness of the clip. Now notice the big red mark at 16 inches. Notice that every tape measure has a big red mark at 16 inches. There's another one at 32. Then another at 48. All increments of 16. So the tape measure tells you with a big red box where every 16 inches is. Most roof rafters are 16 inches on center. Most walls are framed with vertical 2x4s at 16 inches on center. All sheathing that covers the rafters, or the studs, is based on them being framed at 16 inches on center. Go back and look at the blade again. Look at the first foot compared to the second foot. First foot has black numbers 1 through 12. The second foot has black numbers 12 through 24 and red numbers above each inch mark 1 through 11. Look at the third foot. Notice that the red numbers repeat 1 through 12 every foot. I hope you've come to the conclusion that the red numbers above the black numbers are the inches within each foot.